My name is Nicky Bateman. I'm the founder and the CEO of Qudo Baby Ltd. I'm also the inventor of the Qudo Soother, and it's been my absolute pleasure and delight to have worked for nearly 20 years as a paediatric chiropractor. The Soother is very much a natural non-medication solution. If you've got a baby that is struggling, you naturally go and see your GP. The only solution that's happening potentially out there is to be given medication. And we do know that persistent crying in infants is the #1 reason for postnatal depression. I'm running a busy clinic, seeing lots of parents and babies, quite a lot of distressed babies of all different types, of different particular challenges. And I would say to the parents, well, what do you do in between visits to me? And do you use things like soothers? I just thought soothers or pacifiers or dummies, they all worked. I suddenly thought, do you know what? What we need is a teat that can mimic what I do as a cranial therapist, effectively. Because I know that what I do makes a big difference to these children. It's angled up at a certain point. It's actually dense, it's not hollow.
It totally and utterly, it saved me at week 7. It massively changed our lives. And I'm absolutely adamant now that Riley is so happy and content now, and like I say, has slept incredibly well for the most part because we've had the Soother.
The tension release that the children have, both my children have clearly experienced, and the fact that it's so clear that the Soother is causing them to just relax, or enabling them to just relax. They're happier, I'm happier, and it's brilliant.
You get the love hormone oxytocin being generated and others, and it helps settle the fight-flight in a baby. It's about stimulating a whole physiological change throughout the whole of that baby's nervous system. We would test ordinary soothers as well as our Soother. And it was this Soother, you could feel the changes happening. As professionals, we are trained to feel for this particular movement. And it's not just me, because it's been my colleagues who's helped verify that the use of the Qudo Soother stimulates the cranial rhythm.
It was absolutely amazing. These babies just took the Soother and they just physically relaxed. You could see the parents relaxing, the babies relaxing and just sucking.
Also, it makes quite a big difference to relaxing the oral tension in the baby's cranium as well.
You know, when you see a difference, like you've had a crying baby and you give them the Soother and it changes your life, I think that's just amazing, isn't it? And of course, we are a finalist with the Baby Products Association 2021 Concept and Innovation.
Myself and all of the judges were very impressed with the credentials of the team that developed the product, in particular the medical trials that they did and the real life stories they told us of mothers with crying babies who found this an immediate solution for their problems. What we specifically liked about Qudo was its simplicity. Commercial viability of this product is very high, it's easily manufactured, it's easily accessible and it is affordable for parents.
If somebody is looking to invest in a product that has got legs, that is going to go somewhere, I think this is a great product to invest in.
What we're now asking for is the finance we need to go to market. We have already patent 1, which has been granted, and there is a second patent proceeding as well. We've had inquiries from some EU distributors who would like to get involved with this product. But it will very much be online and direct to customers because this is a worldwide need. Most of the investment is going to be used in the manufacturing process, and then from there to actually pay for the right people to come on board working as subcontractors with us to launch the product. The whole brand idea is about what additional support and help can we give new parents, and we hope that if they buy the Soother, they'll come back to the website and maybe we can help them and signpost them in the right direction. We test it and we believe in it and we know it works.